Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to forward sent media on WhatsApp Web using the brand new update. Whether you want to share a bunch of photos, a few funny videos, or some important document, this quick guide will show you how to do it easily from your PC. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, your chats will appear right on your screen. Now, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a small media icon there. Click on it. This is where all your shared media, photos, and videos are stored in an organized view. Next, click on media to browse through your files. You can scroll and find the specific images, videos, or documents you want to forward. This is super handy if you've sent or received a lot of media and need to locate something quickly. At the top of this window, you'll see a sort icon. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose You. This tells WhatsApp Web to show only the media that you have sent. It's a perfect shortcut if you're trying to forward content from your own messages without scrolling endlessly. Now, look for the select icon at the top of the window. Click it and then start selecting every piece of media you want to forward. You can pick multiple items at once. WhatsApp's new update makes batch selection smooth and reliable. Once you've selected everything, click on the forward icon. A small window will appear, allowing you to choose your recipients. Select the people or groups you want to send the media to, and then hit send. And that's it. You've just forwarded sent media on WhatsApp Web, all from your PC using the latest update. This new feature really speeds up file sharing. No more downloading files first or switching between devices. Give it a try and see how much time it saves you.